So Mr. Watterson here. Once again, we're going to do some more practicing of, or some more practice of comparing numbers, specifically using greater than or less than. So right here, I have built two different numbers. I have this number in the blue, and then I have this number in the red. If you notice, I haven't written the number using numbers. I made the numbers using groups of tens and groups of ones, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what each number is and then comparing them using greater than or less than, just like last time, all right? So first, let's figure out what this number is. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I got 50. And then 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so I know that this blue number right here is the number 54. 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so we have 54. Now let's count this number and compare them. Right here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, right here we have 45, okay? 4 tens and 5 ones. So if we were going to compare these two numbers using greater than or less than, would we say that 54 is greater than 45? Or would we say 54 is less than 45? Would we eat this way? Or would we eat this way? Well, I know 54 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Oh, yeah, because it says it right here in the number 54. Wow. And I know 45 has 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Oh, yep, it says 4 right there in the 10 spot. And then remember, we have our ones also. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Listen. So which number is greater? 54 is greater than 45. Because 54 has 5 groups of 10 and 4 ones, and 45 only has 4 groups of 10 and 5 ones. I noticed these two numbers are really tricky because they both have a 5 and a 4. A 5 and a 4. Right? But what's important is where is the 5 and the 4? Okay? This is not the same number. Even though they both have the same two numbers in them, the numbers are in different places, right? So this 5 is in the tens place, right? This 5 is in the ones place, all right? So it's really, really, really important that you're looking extra close at the number of tens and the number of ones and making sure that you put the right number in the ones place, or I'm sorry, the right number in the tens place and the right number in the ones place, okay? So 54 is greater than 45. If we're really, really hungry, we're going to want to eat more, remember. We're an alligator, all right? All right, let's do one more. All right, the next one. 30, oh, I'm sorry. Almost gave it away. Let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40? 10, 20, 30, 40? Nope, don't trick yourself because this is not a 10, so we're not going to count by tens. Once we get to this 1, we have to stop counting by tens, all right? So make sure that you count your groups of tens by tens, and then if you get to your ones, you can't count by tens anymore. Then you have to count by ones, okay? Some people were mixing that up, all right? So it's 10, 20, 30, 31, all right? So we have 3 10s, 1 1, and the number 31. Over here we have 10, 20, 1. Oh. We have 21. All right, so to compare these two numbers using greater than or less than, would we say that 31 is greater than 21? Or would we say this is greater than? Or would we say that 31 is less than 21? So right here I see 3 10s and 1 1. Over here I see 2 10s and 1 1. Oh, so the 1 1 is the same. Both of these numbers have 1 1. This number has 3 groups of 10. This number has 2 groups of 10. So 31 is greater than 21. Thumbs up if you agree with that. All right. So in your work, you have to make sure that you have the right number of 10s and the right number of 1s in the right place. All right, before you compare using greater than or less than. All right. And remember, if you're having trouble, think of this as the mouth. The mouth always wants to eat the bigger number. All right. Great job.